Hey guys, welcome back to the Summer of Knives 2020. This is what I would consider to be budget knives. Knives that are under $30 that you can also use for EDC knives or any utility use. Alright, so the knives that I'm talking about are the Eafengrows or Eafengrow, however you say it, the Ganzos, and the overseas produced knives. They're not always the highest quality steels, but they're pretty decent. You can put them in your pocket and they'll still work. You just might have to sharpen them more often than not. So we'll jump right into it. This one, I don't remember the name of it, but it's kind of cool. I think they call this the tactical knife, or it's a G10 blue. What's the model number on there? I don't know if I have it. I'm sorry, but it is made out of D2 steel. It does have a ball bearing pivot in there, so nice detent. I like that. G10 is not overly grippy, but it does come with a pocket clip. It's reversible, but you can't flip it to the other side. Alright. This one is 3.7 inches as far as the blade goes. It's made out of D2 steel. Typically runs around $29.99. It does have an accent for the backspacer. I really like that. That's an orange backspacer, if my camera's not picking up. And I definitely will put all the links down below. Really nice knife, comes with a lanyard hole. You know, for 30 bucks you throw it in your pocket, you forget it, and if you break the knife you could just replace it. Alright, no big deal there. So I'll put the links down below if you're interested in that blade. The next one is a Ganzo. Alright, this is kind of cool. It has like the access lock on it. It does have the G10 orange, which I'm a big fan. I like these so much that I actually purchased two and gave it to one of my buddies. $24.99. Really can't beat that. Overall length, I'm not going to go in millimeters, but blade thickness is about 3 mils or less than 3 mils, 3.3 mils. It's a 440 stainless. This one is a 440C stainless. And it has G10 on it. What I like about it has like the fakey access lock, if you will. So this is the lock. Alright, I think they have to make it a little bit different because of copyright and all that other good stuff. But you can reverse it from right side to left side. It does not do tip up or tip down, and that's the Ganzo. So really nice blade. Again, pretty cheap. Really nice offering. Alright, the next one, again also in Hunter Orange, is the Eafengrow. Okay, this one has a really nice, I like that, it's D2 steel, has a little swedge on top. Again, you could flip it, the clip from one side. Nope, this is one side only, so you can only flip one side only. It's a liner lock. This has a little flip on it, I like that. G10. I think I did carry this a few times. I haven't really used it all that much, but really nice blade. Again, for the price, I think these are coming in at $19, so it's 20 bucks. It's a $20 knife. How could you go wrong with a $20 knife? Okay, you break it, you buy a new one. I'll put all the information down below. That blade length is about 3.5 inches. 3.5 inches. G10, solid G10, excellent balance. Flipper ball bearing knife. Okay. So sometimes when you purchase stuff overseas, they have different information as far as what they call their blades. This is kind of cool. This is the Eafengrow EF335 tactical folder in D2. It's a little bit bulkier, G10, 5-inch closed. Alright, really nice blade. A little bit thicker. I think they have, all these knives come in a little bit of different color. If you're interested in that, you just look on the website. It does have a swedge. The swedge is not sharpened, has a little bit of jimping on top. Nice big fat pocket clip, and again you can only put it on one side, so you can't reverse this in any way. Liner lock. Alright, really positive click. Nice accent. Orange accent. There's very little, yeah, there is some steel inside here. I don't know if you can see it. There's a little bit of steel inside there, but again, mostly the G10, so you can either flip it or you can use your thumb to flip it out, so that's kind of cool. Alright, again, D2 steel. Not bad for the price. Those are coming in at 30 bucks. Alright, the next one is another Eafengrow. Sorry if I'm butchering these names. This blade right here is, it's 5.2 inch? No, it's a 4-inch blade. 4-inch blade. This one's a little bit more bulky because it does have the steel aligners in there. If you can see that, it does have a lot of steel, and then they did some nice bolsters. Full swedge. The steel on this is 9CR18 MOV. Little bit more bulky. You cannot switch the clip. Sorry, that's just not the way it works. This is a really bulky knife, but it does have some nice G10 on there. So I like that one, if you guys are interested. And again, that one's coming in at $25.99. So a really big blade for very little cost. Most of these come in like a bag and then a box. The bag is inside the box. It's made overseas, so it's a little bit cheaper. It's not as high quality. Last one's kind of one of my favorites. If I can make it, there you go. Another Eafengrow. All right, nice G10. This is a D2. Has like that Warncliffe kind of style. This is a D2 blade. I don't think this has a model number on it. There's no model number on here whatsoever, so sorry about that. But again, I'm going to put all the links down below. They call it an outdoor survival everyday carry knife with clip. So I really do love the the descriptions, because they all pretty much are the same. So you're looking about a 3.5-inch blade, nice little Warncliffe, thin, again, liner lock, good flip, good detent. Again, you cannot reverse the clip at all. This one I happen to get in OD green, but there are other colors available. Okay, so for the cheaper knives or someone that's on a budget, I don't think I went over $30 on any of these knives. Again, one of them's like $20. You throw it in your kit bag, you throw it, you know, in your jeans, whatever. You lose it, you break it, no big deal. I typically get the brighter colors for me. You know, maybe a tactical green. Just see what they have up there. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you like these blades, just look down the link below. Make sure you click on the proper link. And just as a disclaimer, I do get like a couple pennies every time you purchase something off my Amazon store. And also remember to go to 3riverblades.com if you're looking for a handmade custom knife made in the USA. Thanks, guys.